Businesses generate all kinds of waste, and most have their waste management sorted out. Yet, they often don't know what happens to their waste after it's disposed of. Statistically, over 70% of all collected waste worldwide ends up in landfills or open dumps. WAMECO was created because business owners around the world wanted to embrace the green trend without being accused of greenwashing. We solve this problem by connecting waste generators, businesses, with the rest of the waste material life cycle. Our platform lets you know exactly what happens to your trash, whether it's tracked to become a recycled or upcycled product, or if it's not reported, allowing you to reassess your waste management service provider by helping you set up and manage your waste management needs based on your industry. Using new technology like AI, we automatically pair you with reputable and reliable service providers according to your costs, timing, and ESG preferences. Additionally, we track the life cycle of your waste material for transparent reporting and to justify the price of your waste. Use our platform for free and upgrade for added cost benefits, time savings, and improved support based on your needs. Support one of our partners in community engagement, awareness, research, or access through our platform. WAMECO is here to empower your business to gain value from your waste and improve your environmental impact. Join us in creating zero waste oceans.